Yo, what's going on YouTube? My name is Brandon. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If this is your first video, make sure you guys hit that post notification and make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys like this video because you're gonna love it. You're just gonna love it. Anyway, moving on, we are gonna be working on, once again, my BMW 435XI drive, and we have, I wouldn't even call this a mod because technically it's, yes, it's a mod, but anyway, we are going to be wrapping my car today. See, I told you, it's not really a mod, but it makes it look different. But we're going to be wrapping my car today, and I'm not going to show you guys what we are wrapping the car in yet. I'm not going to show you the color. I'm not going to tell you what our ideas for it or anything like that. You guys are just going to have to watch the video. And we will be doing this in-house. We're going to be doing this right here in my garage. I already have the wrap is upstairs, literally upstairs. And yeah, we're gonna wrap it here starting tomorrow. Before I can wrap the car, there are a couple things I had to do. Like number one, I think maybe on Wednesday or Thursday of last week, got the car washed, put in the garage ever since. I figured I don't want to, keep driving it around if I need to wrap it this weekend. So the next thing to do is I have to take off the taillights, have to take off the headlights. And then I also have to take off this carbon fiber splitter / lip that I put on a couple videos back. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description. Definitely gonna give that a watch because it's a super easy DIY and it makes the car look way different with this front lip on the car. Anyway, my arm's getting tired. But yeah, we're gonna take off the headlights, take off the tail lights, and a couple other things like the door handle itself. Boom. I take that off, and then probably the mirror too. So yeah, a couple things to take off. A little bit nervous on checking on the door handle and the mirror. I just don't want to break anything. That's kind of my main thing. I've taken off the door handle, I've taken off mirror, taillights, headlights on plenty of cars that I really don't care about, but this car I really care about, so I want to make sure everything is done correctly. I want to set everything aside. I don't want to lose any screws because I want this car to go back 100% the way that I took it apart, and that rarely happens. So we're gonna see. One more thing, guys. I cleaned up my garage a little bit. I'm trying to build it up a little bit so it can be more of a workshop. So I put some reflective, I don't really know what it's called, but some reflective stuff from Home Depot in hopes to keep the heat in. I got like one of those radiator heats up there. I'm going to get another one for that corner, and then I'm going to get a couple other freestanding heaters that can like aim at the car to keep the car, certain temperatures and things like that. Just trying to get into like a workshop type vibe. So if you guys have any recommendations, just anything on what you guys have for yours, send me pictures on Instagram or something like that, just because I'm always trying to look and build to that next level. So, took off the front splitter / lip. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Doing the back of the car was pretty easy, taking off the taillights. But that front lip actually gave me a lot more trouble than I thought it was gonna be. Like The screws weren't bad, but that 3M tape definitely held in way better than I thought it was gonna be. Like 3M, shout out to y'all because y'all doing your job. But I applied it very generously, so I mean it's good for like, you know, when I put it back on, I know it's not gonna go anywhere. But I had to take like a little pry tool and like, you know, just kind of like pry from the bottom, pry from the sides, the plastic piece, not the metal one. But yeah, did that, took that off. Now just have to do the headlights, mirror, and door handle. Once again, I hope this door handle goes well because this is like the comfort package, so it has like the touch assist and everything like that. So we're gonna see how this goes. So, after much prying, like I loosened this up around, then I'm really trying not to mess up my speakers here. I know it looks crazy, but I was super delicate with moving it. I didn't want to make sure like I crimp or break any wires. So, I see one, what is that, like T25 or something like that, or T20, T30. Some star bit tool needed for there and there. And those look like the only two things that would be holding it in. So that being said, also probably this wire that's right there is probably for the folder and stuff like that. So I got to figure out how to get that wire loose. Looks like there's some clips on the side of it towards the right. So I'm going to loosen up these two bolts. I'm going to carefully take this off hopefully, and then remove that wire or disconnect the wire, and then we should be good for the mirror. And then we're going to move on to the door. I'm trying to remove the mirror. I removed it. Well, not removed it fully, but I had it kind of hanging, but I actually ended up just putting one bolt back in there until tomorrow, because I'm thinking, you know what, why put myself to the hassle of unplugging like the wires that go to speaker and this to just wrap the car when it comes time to it. As long as this is up, I can like prop it up, and then we'll be able to get underneath this section right here to do the car correctly, as long as it's just up and out the way. Okay, last part for tonight would be to remove this door handle. I actually thought I was gonna have to take off this whole panel, which I ended up not having to do, thank God. And also, I mean, I should probably do some research before I just start trying to take off the handle. But I knew that, like, you know, just taking off the panel was like the simplest way. Guess not on newer cars. So once again, that's done. Now we're gonna take this mirror off, and how I looked it up, apparently it differentiates a little bit from the M3, but pretty much the same. There is a hex screw right in there. I know it's like super hard to see. I'm trying to shine the light through it because it's like right in this hole. But either way, I believe that goes to this right here. So once I unscrew it, because it's kind of like at an angle, unscrew it, this should come off, and then I should be able to just slide this back and then just wiggle it free, and then she's done and ready to be wrapped tomorrow. Alright guys, as you just saw, that handle is off. I've never really seen this in person like this before, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, car is pretty much all good to go for tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll begin this long journey of wrapping this car. All right, guys, so I apologize for not being able to record a little bit last night, but this is how she's looking as of now. I actually didn't order enough wrap, so we still have to wrap the fender, bumper, and then we have enough wrap for the rear bumper, but it was just getting late anyway, so we decided not to do it. And then the wrap that's coming in is also going to be wrapping this quarter panel. So overall, also the little rocker. So overall, like 4 pieces that still need to be wrapped. I ordered more 5x15. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna need more than 5x15 extra wrap to, like, you know, get the rest of the stuff done, just because, as you see, like, this is 5x15 that we use for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, whatever. So I think that another 5x15 should give us more than enough to, like, you know, finish up this wrap job. But yo, it looks amazing. I saw this wrap on another car, and I didn't think it was gonna look that good on my car, but it looks way better on my car. Sorry about the camera. Way better on my car than it did on the other car. So also we have this pinstriping. It's very reflective. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, I will tune in with you guys this following weekend when more wrap comes in. Until then, guys, stay tuned. So let's jump to next weekend when we finish the car. Let's go. Okay guys, so the car is done. It is like a week and 1 day later. We just finished the car yesterday, as you can see it behind me. Looks really, really dope. But before I get into you guys, I want to apologize because my phone died. I was actually doing the rear spoiler, putting that on, so I didn't get an installation video for you guys. I got like maybe 30 seconds of me putting it on before my phone either died or ran out of storage. But cleared my phone, so we're all good for today. Car looks really, really, really good, so I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the car. And honestly, I'm super happy with how it came out. Urban Vinyl Wraps, shout out to you guys, shout out to Jordan and you guys, because you guys and George, bro, you guys did amazing. Like, literally, the car looks great, 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 great. I definitely need to get wheels now and some low, and this thing will be looking really, really good. I'm also gonna get a cover for it, but just from right here, oh my god, like, car looks amazing. So let's get that walk around video.